Hello my lovelies, and welcome to this 4th episode of our hashtag December Weekly. It's been so much fun. I hope you're enjoying all the collaboration videos. I'm still trying to catch up. My catch up is that period between now and New Year, when you have a bit more time to catch up on everybody's. So go and check that out. I'll leave all the lovelies down below that are contributing, and this is my last page for that. I've thoroughly enjoyed it. This journal's getting, you know, as usual, my Christmas journals, they just don't shut. I'm having to hold it down now. So this is my page I'm going to use for today, and I'm going to end with sort of thought of the day. So happy Boxing Day. Do you call it Boxing Day at all parts of the world? Let me know. I don't know. Boxing Day is traditionally here in the UK is all to do with sports. So they do a lot of sports on the television. They have horse races and all sorts of things like that. And I think it's got a little lost along the way, but generally speaking, the television has all the sporty stuff on. So hope you are having a bit of time to relax. Phew, you can go phew, or can you, because you've still got loads and loads of family events to go to, and obviously for everyone that are spending the first Christmas on their own without loved ones, then big hugs out to you, and hopefully, you know, we can spread a little crafting goodness and cheer to bring a little smile to your face. So what am I doing here? I don't know. I had to put this, I put a flip on. Did I do that last time? I can't remember. I need something to stop it falling over because it's getting ridiculous. It is getting ridiculous. I can't shut anything. Have I got anything that I could make a ring out of? I've got all sorts hanging about. You know, it's like when you get to end of your crafting season for Christmas. I was looking for a 25 yesterday, and then you know you've got all these bits and bobs left. Look at that. Seeing as it's a game day, we'll have a bit of bingo on there. I'm not quite sure that's the game that they had in mind for Boxing Day, but hey ho, I'll have a bit of bingo going on there. Right, I want to just stop this from opening. How can I do that? That's a bit too big. There, we'll use that. So we'll just leave the bottom section. I do this a lot if you haven't done this. Find something about cardstock because it's a bit of heft. And then just leave the final little section there without any glue on, like that, and then when it's dry you can fasten your thing. Right, that's out the way. So what am I going to do to go in here? Well, I've got this and started doing something with it and then didn't, so I've got a little pocket here, and I've got a little journal card left over. This is well wonky. Look at that. That is well wonky. That's it. And I thought, oh, I've had my favourite colouring out. I've had this. My son bought me these, oh, quite a few years ago, these chunky crayons, wax crayons. And I have got some more, but this is still my fave. I'm hoarding it, and I just love it. I get it out every Christmas. So I've coloured that in, because you can't beat a bit of wax crayon in to make it feel good, can you? Bit of child's play. Look at that, I love it. Look at that imprint now on there. I'll just be colouring in all video now. I've got one of these tags from the lovely tag toppers from Rachel at Roxy Creations. First time I've used these. I keep collecting all my Christmas stuff up, all these different kits that come out every year, and then you've got a lovely mix and match collection. So that can go on there, and I thought we'd have a bit of bling. Not often I put a bit of bling on things, but got these from the pound shop. And no, we don't want it there, do we? Because it's going inside. So let's put that on there, and then it says tis the season to sparkle, so yes, we will. Still write on there with a felt pen or whatever, felt tip pen, in fact. So on here, if it works, hashtag December weekly 2022, so that when I'm old and grey and in my nursing home, I can look back on this. Right, tis the season to sparkle. I like that. Now, something on the back. What have we got left over? Well, actually, we could put the same as what's round, couldn't we? So let me just, I hope you can still see me. I'm so excited because David has got a new phone, and we're not very tech, as you know, and we have trouble since we've moved with the internet not being very fast. But anyway, he's got a new phone, it's arrived. So hopefully, we can be doing all sorts of stuff we've not been able to do before, we say hopefully. Zooming in on things, etc. So I am hoping you'll notice a difference. And if it doesn't work, then hey ho, we're still... Oh, I thought that had just been right size. Never mind. I'm trying to be careful because it, all these glues just fetch your nail varnish off, don't they? I've long done it. That can go up there and cover that white up. See, job's a good one. That's the thing, you can cover it up with a bit of paper and nobody'd know it don't fit, would they? So my voice is a lot better, thank you. I ended up having to have some steroids. So it is nice to be feeling better. And what's this? Christmas bells are ringing, and I like that. Now then, seeing as it's Boxing Day, have I got anything to cut out that's a bit sporty? Oh yes, look, we've got, this is like a old German postcard, I think. We can put a toboggan race on. Yes, I like that. Do I want it on there? No, I don't. I think I might put it on back of this tag. Will it fit? Yes, it will. So this is Ode to Traditional Boxing Day. There we go. Let's also, they're collecting that, there. Do I want anything else on there? Not really. That's nice. No, I don't. I was going to see what else. Fragile, do not drop. Yeah, don't drop your toboggan. That's the moral of this tale is, don't drop your toboggan when you're sleighing. We need a bit of something behind that, don't we? I've been wanting to use this bit for ages, but I've not managed to fit it in. Oh, it's a shame though. Well, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, we can print it off again, can't we? That is the beauty of paper crafting, isn't it? You know, multi-purpose. Everything can be a multi. You can do whatever. That was a tag 1 minute and the next it's a background to your label. Let's have a look at that. Yes, but sorry, the bracelets are dangling. See what I mean about these? Aren't they lovely? I love them. I'm going to be doing some revisiting of things with wax crayons, melting wax and things in your work in the new year. And I'm going to be starting, everybody said how they've loved the mindfulness part of the journaling proceedings, so we're going to have Mindfulness Monday. So that's going to be fun. Now, we've got a bit of white there we don't want. That's better. Nothing a lovely coloured wax crayon can't help with. That's it. There. Now, I've printed my little angel and she can go in that little pocket there. I've had that stamp a long time. Look, still got glue on my nails. Right. Now then, this is what I'm going to finish with. Thought of the day or thought of the week. And it sort of really is to... just let me around this. You hustle and bustle and you're going round, rushing round, doing everything for Christmas. And I found this. That's it, nice. I found this in a Daphne's Diary. Now, I don't have that on a regular basis, but I found this one of the copies I did have, and I've kept it. And I've been wanting to use it, so I'm going to stick it on here. This bit's going to be hanging over, so that's why. Trusty bit of wax crayon on it to give it a bit of colour when you turn your tag over. Fact, that's that. And it wants something, doesn't it? It wants a bit of something else down that corner. Let's joy to the world, because we want to be onwards and upwards to a much better 2023 peace on earth. I'll stick that on there. And I've just spotted a little circle here. There we go. And let's see what I got in mind as a tab. I think that will tie in. That's on the back, won't it? Fold that in half to make our tab, and then I'll read you out ending thoughts of our collaboration. Okay, so this says speech is golden. There is a well-known saying that goes, speech is silver, but silence is golden. But that doesn't really apply in this day and age. It seems as if our world is becoming more and more impersonal. I often spot people checking out at the tills in the supermarket without exchanging a single word with the shop assistant. They don't even respond to a friendly, "have a nice day." The shoppers are often busy staring at their mobile phones and don't bother to even look where they're going. I think that's such a shame. What's happened to the discussion about things that are going on in our village, our town, our street, or even just a chat about the weather? So I think this is so true. We're all busy, going places, things to do. Just remember to have a kind word, a smile. That might be the only time that person hears somebody speak to them in their entire day, and it can make a huge difference. And so I think really the motto for 2023, from pulling together this gorgeous collaboration that Jovi has invited us all to take part in, is remember, no matter what sort of day you're having, have a few words to total strangers, smile, say hello, and that might make their day. That might be something really special to them, and it makes you feel good as well. So thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for everybody that's bought the Sherwood Forest kits. We've had such fun, and enjoy the rest of your holidays. So take care out there. Bye bye.